everyone, Kat here, and today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful sparkly pop-up butterfly card. So I pre-cut all my pieces on my Cricut Maker machine, having used Design Space to design my butterfly card. And as you can see, these are all the components you need to make this card. Those bits are for the inside there. And then this is the most important part. There's a slit there at the bottom of the body of the butterfly, and on the other side a slit at the top, and that's really important because they're going to connect.